Okay, okay guys, this is the last post you ever seen in your life. I'm gonna post this. This is the last one I'm gonna post. So, we're gonna build a tycoon. We got only 8,000 money, but if we get here, can get how many? Can get... Ano siya bulag? We can get 100,000. Someone is flying me over here. Someone wants to kill me over here, guys. So don't trust them. Buy a new floor. Buy plants. I'm just gonna buy a new floor. Bro, the stairs is always so expensive. Data has saved. What is that? Bro, I'm so laggy. There we go. Yes, buddies. Oh no, I have no money left. We need to get money. We need to get money. Bro, why am I jumping? I'm not even pressing the jump button. Bro. Okay. We get 80,000 from this. You see my money. I got 8,000. I'm gonna buy lice. Ouch! That's so bright. I'm gonna buy stairs here. Oh my god, this is... Buy that and I buy... No. Bro, I don't have enough money still. I go here. And I'm gonna collect my money. Only 4,000. 40,000. But that's okay. At least we got a conveyor belt. Bro, that's 6,000 for a dropper. That's a scam. We need 1 meal. How many? Okay, we got that. Let me buy that. That's only 2. Buy an elevator. I can't buy it. Buy a bookshop. Buy a TV. Bro, that's so expensive. I can't even afford anything. Let's get some money first. Oh, 74,000? That's cool. We're almost at 100. Let me complete this. Wait a minute. Let me buy a conveyor belt because we need money. Buy walls na. I need a dropper. Okay? How many that's that? Oh, 1,000? That's useful. If I bought a upgrader, it be more useful. But let's get our money here. Okay, 64,000. Oh, 7. Wait. Sorry guys for pausing. But we need to buy this. Let's buy that. What am I gonna buy this? I can't buy it. That's only it. Bro, that sucks. But the song is fire, bro. Oh, he wants to. Oh my god. This is so good. We need to press the buttons so we can get more views. I mean followers. That's it. Wait, there, bro, I don't have enough. Wait, I'm gonna get some money. I forgot that. Sorry guys for forgetting it. But this is my last video you ever seen in my YouTube channel. This is the very much last video. Understand guys? Okay. Now, let me stop yapping and upgrade my base. Okay, we need this. Bro, we need to buy the drawer. Because this too. I want to say this is so we can complete our house. Oh, 7,000 only? Bro, why? I hate 70,000. What did I press? Oh, I have no Robux. This is just a free skin, guys. Buy kitchen. Okay. Let's buy this and this. Oh no, I have no money left. Oh, I picked Preston because he's my favorite YouTuber. And go subscribe to him too. This is my favorite YouTuber, guys. I subscribe to him, so you subscribe to him too. Okay. Wait, 6-7. You seen the 6-7 memes before, right? I know you seen the 6-7 memes before. Cause that's so popular. Oh my god, look at this. I can sit. Let's buy the toilet so we can poop or pee. No. Wait. Who is this? Anaswa Quacks. Okay. Shout out to that person if he's watching YouTube or he has YouTube. 6-7. Close that and close that. Sorry about saying 6-7 so many. Let me buy this. Oh no. I have no money there. What should we buy? We should buy upper cabinets. These two. Oh no, we have no money left again. Let's just, kill some people. I'm gonna kill that. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, he died. Hello, follower. Okay. What? Why did you say that? Come here, boy. Oh no, he's a pro. Run. Oh, he's not a pro. Is that? Wait, where am I? Oh, there. We collect my money. Oh. Oh, those are so many. Let me get that. Ouch. What? By decoration? By shower, by sink. Let's just buy the conveyor belt here. Bro, this is so expensive. Bro, this is so expensive. We're gonna go down here and there, and we're gonna leave and play another game. Sorry guys for leaving, cause I'm bored of this. We're just gonna find another game, guys. Sorry about the leaving, but just wait, okay? How about no? I don't like that. No. Skip the labo. How about I want that zombie uprising. Okay, we're gonna play it. It's loading, guys. Alphabet. It's so. Oh my god. This is so. I'm in a hurry. Good boy. Sorry, guys. Stay in the server. What should we pick, guys? Hard mode or normal mode? Stay normal mode. Let's pick normal mode for sure. Oh, look at my gun. That's so good. Oh, this is so good. But I'm still loading. There we go. Let's load out mods. Grip. I want to buy this. No. How about the barrel? No. Okay, ammunition. How about the ammunition? Armor piercing. Okay, how about the M9? Barrel? This is super long, bro. Side. No. Capacity extra large. And I just liquid my laser saber. Lightsaber, I mean lightsaber. What is going on? What is going on, guys? Help me. Oh no. Oh yes, instant kill. It's round 1? Bruh. I thought this was round 6. Oh no. Help me, teammate. Teammate, help me. Oh no. Bro, what? Bro, let me help my teammate. There's so many zombies, guys. Oh no. I need that. Oh, silver bullet. Ow. 2x damage. Let's go. Oh, refill ammo. Oh no. Oh no, I'm always gonna die. This is so easy. No. Yes, sir. No. Oh no. Oh hell. I like so many. This is so many. I can't defeat this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Someone leave. Why are you crawling? Help me. Bro, you help me. I'm helping you. Oh my god. Bro ain't gonna help me. Bro, we're only the 2 in here. Bro, so noob. Let's go. Bro ain't gonna. Bro, why are you helping me? Bro, this is so noob. But this is not a lot. Those so money. Oh, that scared me. You're dead, Bumbo. Blood thought he can't scare me. Oh no. You can't scare me, bro. I love my lightsaber, guys. And I have 4,000 points. This is so... Let's go. What is this? Oh no. I'm so laggy. Oh no, I didn't pay much attention of my health. Help me. Help me, teammates! Teammates! Oh no. Teammates are not helping me. Help me, teammates! My teammate. Oh, this is a noob. That's a noob. No, don't kill him. Okay. There's a care package here. There we go. We got 6,000 points. Go, cat. I'm gonna lock this too, bro. You can't scare me. Bro, Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So, bye.